You searched how to buy shares of First Community Bankshares Inc., a regional bank holding company that offers community banking services. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FCBC. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy FCBC, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds to your account before placing any trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FCBC to find the company listing. Select the result that matches First Community Bankshares to open the correct asset page. On the asset page, you will see a short company profile and a price chart that shows recent price movements. Confirm the exchange is NASDAQ and the ticker is FCBC so you have the right stock. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and total cost before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade completes. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to start the registration process.